Scott Hylton, Scott Talks. Today we're gonna put my PAPERLIKE on my iPad mini. This will be cool. I'm gonna take it apart. There's my Apple Pencil, the magnet on the side. You're gonna push this apart on the side. Get that off. There, pretty. iPad mini. This great case I got on Amazon, #1 case for it, the iPad mini 7, and a pop socket magnet. So I can pick my iPad up just like this, spin it around, look, spin it back and forth, whatever I want to do. I don't have to actually hold it like this, turn it. You know, whatever's good for you, right, Neko? I got Neko the cat here helping me. No kitty cat hairs on the iPad, Neko. We gotta keep it clean. Okay, let's put this off to the side. You can play with it over there. Okay. That's a good boy. It's a good boy. Let's open it and make your iPad feel like paper. Everyone online says get PAPERLIKE, get PAPERLIKE. Because drawing on glass is slick, but with the PAPERLIKE, it'll be a little better. On the iPad Pencil Pro, get my initials put on it. Got it through the Apple Store. Cool. Okay, we're done playing. Put that back over there, Neko. That's a good boy. So the first thing we're going to do is open this. There. Precision for drawing, control, writing. Brilliant display meets instant response. Protect your screen and pencil tip. Install easily without stress. The original PAPERLIKE feel. Very good. So we're going to open. Rip to open. Rip. Yeah. Get that. Here you go. Get that. That's a good boy. He's getting ready to play with it. That's a good boy. There he goes. He's got it. That's it. Okay. PAPERLIKE 3. This is number 3. 8.3 inches. Ooh. Go with your flow. Oh, wet wipes. Stickers. How to apply, if you need that. Huh. Two wet wipes. Dry wipe. Squeegee. Okay, first step, we turn this actually to the right. If you have a screen protector, get a card out of your wallet. Gently push up against it on the corner. Nudge it out, right, Neko? And peel it off. And then get your wet wipe. There's a wet wipe. Right, Neek? You're going to put kitty cat hairs all over my iPad. You know that? Everything's an adventure. What are we looking for? Oh, report here. Duh. You can play with this. Okay, here's something silver. Go get it. That a good boy. So let's clean, 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 clean. Horizontal, clean, 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 clean. Hold it in place. Don't let it move around. No, I need that. Leave that alone. I need that. That's going to come in a really handy. What do you think? Huh? Now, I think they're supposed to put a dry wipe in here. This doesn't look like the dry wipe. And this doesn't look like a dry wipe. And this is empty of anything else. Microfiber cloth would be really nice right now, Neko. What do you think? All right. I'm going to go one more time because I found an eyeglass cleaner. No thanks to you, Neek. Ocala here in Ocala, Florida. Got my glasses, but I got a cheap pair I ride my bike with at the Walmart. They were a lot cheaper. Take your prescription in, boom, you get a nice pair. Great for riding a bike. Oh yeah, this is much better. Right, Nikki? Much, much better. He's having a, now down towards that last little bit, smudge, smudge, smudge. Down towards, oops, don't want it to move. Drawing the plug in. A little bit this way. The camera. And back again. There, how's that? Huh? He's still trying to get that different stuff in play. Okay, let's line it up. I think there's supposed to be two in here, but it looks like they only gave me one. Yeah, that's all right. Number one, pull to the left. This is for alignment purposes. Let's put it on the screen, get our helper. There. Lower left corner, there's our plugins here. Helper on top right corner. Flip it over. Oh, I can feel it, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oops, let's get it up. I'll push it a little bit. Getting that corner in there. Push. Cool. Then get your bubbles out. Get it in there. So there's where my camera is right there. Definitely don't want to bubble over the camera. How's that look? You guys pretty happy with that? I'm like, just touched it and I got a bubble. Gotta get it just right. Okay, this is technically. What do you think? it up a little bit. Press with your finger. I wonder if I need that. Lifting a line if anything's not perfect. I want to realign this down at the bottom. Top. Use your fingers. Get it just right. And your alignment tool again. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Over that camera area. Coo, 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 coo. Use your fingers. Very good. You're doing great. We're going to pull these tabs, okay? Got a little... See the hook? Got a great hook there. Hold it down. Thumb here. Grab the hook. Hold it down on your side you put in. Pull. See it? Oh, look, it's pulling. Looky. Hold it down good. Cool, 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 cool. See a bubble. Another hook. Number 2R to the right. Okay. Now we're going left. See, 2 left. Air bubbles are okay right now. Hold it. Whee! Oh, man. There it is. I'm cheating. I just broke my thing. Oh, yeah. Bubbles. Away from the camera. It's okay. Now let's push out some bubbles. Big bubbles, okay. Don't use this. See the hook? Don't use the hook. Push small bubbles into big bubbles. You can give it a little push. It's okay. It won't break. There. Give it up. Push down a little. You give it a little push. It's pretty tough. Steve Jobs would fire everybody if they didn't get it tougher. You're like, Steve's not around, Scott. Yeah. Oh, it's looking sweet. Get that camera right. Sweet. Sweet. Oh, yeah. What do you think? Get that little guy. He'll be all right. Ooh, cool. Oh, I see a bubble. Nikki, there's a bubble here. Got more squishing to do. Don't want to. Now my OLED screen, put it black again so I can see my bubble. Making it a little too hard. Nick, why can't a kitty cat help with my bubbles? Now let's do right, left. Oh, they're sweet. Got a bubble. Got a bubble. I see one bubble right there. It's not bad. There it goes. Gentle, gentle. Don't use the plastic. Oh, this is sweet. Oh, it does. It has a nice, it's thicker. It's not slick like glass. It's thick. Cool, cool, cool. Infinity. To infinity. Oh, you're trying to, ooh, wait. No, don't sweat all. Move it around. Cool, this is fine. Get rid of that. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe if you learned anything. We did a good job, man. I've got one more bubble. I see a bubble. What do you think, Neko? A little bubble there, too? Oh, yeah, we're doing good. I love it. All right. Let me get our case again. There's the camera. Put my case back on. Spins. Ooh. Yeah, I've got that motion thing going on for my wallpaper. Got that on. Everything's good. Like, share, and subscribe. I hope you learned something. Hope this was one of many videos you watched to do the PAPERLIKE. Have a great day. Bye.